another video. I'm sorry, I have two more things. Just after one more thing. This one and then another one. So this one is a Lego set for just a person. It is series 26. So let's see who we're going to get. Yeah, ripped. Yay! Daphne! I don't know who we've got. I've got like a spaceship girl. Child's a lot, to be fair. Not alone. Oh, this time they don't have any extra pieces. Get down, dog. My dog eats stuff. Like air. Oh yeah. Put that in there. Put this on it. Like this. And then you can choose one of the head sides. I'm going to choose the side that I showed you. The angry face. So there is space for a dog, by the way. I don't know. How is this dog speaking? Sorry, I'm not really a Lego person. I'm supposed to go like that. Oh. And she can't fit, or is she guys supposed to go like that for the dog to be sniffing our butt?
Should have got 3.
What?
Why? One for the chair.
Why then?
So I've got our hand out.
What, and just have them 3?
For the pew gun. Pew! I'm going to be making a bit more short videos from now on. So I don't use as much storage. Grab her.
Get rid of Blue.
Yeah, I know, but there's nothing wrong with the actual...
There. So this is what she looks like. The dog stiffing her buttocks. Buttocks. She's supposed to go like that. Dog's supposed to go like that. There we go. I think I've done it.
I think we could do with...
So that's the Lego set story. There's 12 clips. Today I got this one here. I got this girl right here with a pee gun and a luge. My dog is a luge. I have a luge. She was. So now place this to the side. Put this over there, and that is going to be for this video. One more arm, don't forget. See ya. Bye.